You've probably seen them. Free charging ports at airports, hotels, or cafes convenient, right? But what if I told you those public USB charging stations could be one of the easiest ways for hackers to steal your data? This hidden threat is called juice jacking, and it's something you need to know about. Juice jacking is a cyber attack where hackers secretly modify public USB charging stations or cables. When you plug in, your phone doesn't just draw power, it also opens a data connection. That's the backdoor attackers use to install malware, steal personal files, or even clone your entire phone. Once infected, hackers can access sensitive information. Your banking app, saved passwords, personal photos, even work emails. Some malware keeps running silently in the background, tracking your activity or sending your data back to criminals without you ever realizing it. Security agencies, including the FBI, have issued warnings about juice jacking. In some cases, travelers reported strange activity on their phones after charging at airports. It only takes one bad connection to compromise your entire device. Here's how to protect yourself. Always carry your own wall charger and plug directly into an outlet. Use a portable power bank when traveling. If you must use a public port, use a USB data blocker device that only allows power transfer, not data. Remember, when it comes to public USB charging stations, free power could cost you your privacy. Stay charged, but stay safe.